Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a head-to-head comparison of two of Coach's Hobo bags. But first, I wanted to show you that I still am using my Saint Laurent Loulou Small Puffer as my bag of the day. I have a shacket from H&M that has sort of these caramel colors in it to bring out the beautiful dark honey shade of the Saint Laurent bag. Here, I've got to go way back to get them both on the screen because they are quite large. The two bags that I'm going to compare are the Canyon Multi Soft Tabby Hobo, which is my bag, and then the Carry Hobo, which is a gift for my mother-in-law for Christmas. And I did a video recently where I unboxed this beauty and showed it. And so I will link that down below because I think if you haven't seen it, you might enjoy it because I accessorized the bag and it turned out quite well. But today I thought, because of a subscriber request, that we would just go ahead and look at these bags in a little bit more detail. The first thing I was noticing is the drop. They look like they're just about the same. It's hard to tell though because of the slouch of the bag. The slouch is going to get bigger with time, but if you get both of them slouching about the same, I'm really not seeing too much of a difference between the two. I probably need to empty these out so that I can weigh them. Just by feel, I will tell you that this carry bag is heavier than the Soft Tabby. But let's just see by how much. Normally I weigh my bags with a postage scale, but I really can't do that because these are so wide at the base. So I'm going to weigh them with both straps on. The Carry Hobo is 1.8 pounds. After weighing both bags, I have discovered that they are both 1.8 pounds. My scale does not offer ounces as an option, so it's possible that there could be slight differences, but to the 0.8 of the pound, these are essentially identical. Let's look at the leather. If you are hard on your bags, then the Soft Tabby Hobo may not be for you. It is a smooth leather, and the one I have is Canyon Multi, which means it's trimmed in a darker brown. There are two colors, which is why you get the multi. And I don't particularly like Canyon, but I do like it with this darker leather trim. The Carry Hobo is a soft pebble leather, and it almost has a sheen to it, which you can see in the camera image. Of course, the light is reflecting off of it, but even in person, it has sort of almost a sheen, a gloss to it. And the leather is super, super, super soft and malleable. The leather on the Soft Tabby Hobo is extremely nice too. But you can see it's different in terms of how it moves when I touch it. It's a very smooth finish. I would say it's not as soft though as the Carry Hobo. You see how it's just so much more pliable with the Carry Hobo. Let's look at how the straps connect. The Carry Hobo has two removable straps. It has the shoulder strap and then it has a crossbody strap. I have the crossbody strap on both bags set on the longest setting. I am 5'8" and I will try them on here in just a second. One of the things I really like about the Soft Tabby Hobo is how the shorter strap connects. It's not removable, but it has this swivel feature, so it drops down and it has that decorative C on it. And then the crossbody strap, it hooks to the link on the bottom of the C. So when the C flips over, the crossbody strap is in position. The strap on the Soft Tabby Hobo is much nicer than the Carry Hobo. You can see this has the grommets in it. It also has the rolled leather edges. The Carry Hobo strap is thinner and it has glazed edges, which don't wear as well over time. It also does not have grommets in the holes there. There is a side-to-side comparison for you. There is no contest that the Soft Tabby Hobo wins in the category of the crossbody strap. Both bags have essentially an identical back pocket. They look like they're about the same width across to me at a glance. Both have rolled leather on the top edge of the bag as opposed to glazing, which is another perk. Both have piping around the corners, which is another good thing. When you look inside the bags, The Carry has like a sateen type lining. It's like a textile mixed with a satin. It's silky, but not like silky like satin is. And it has these two pockets right here. And then it has a bigger snap pocket on the other side. And other than that, it is a big open pit. It has a real thick, chunky zipper pull. And I discovered the other day that if you just pinch right here when you pull, the zipper opens and closes like butter. The soft tabby hobo also has a thick and chunky zipper pull, opens and closes easily. Maybe the Carry opens slightly easier, but it's very minute difference. When you look inside, the Carry has more organization because it has those two pockets on this side. This bag only has the one pocket and it doesn't have a snap like the Carry does. However, the interior lining of this bag is the 1941 textile lining, which is like a woven jacquard type fabric. And it is a premium lining. So I would say that on the lining, the soft tabby wins, but on the pockets on the inside, of course, the Carry would win that battle. Let me try these bags on for you now. So you can see they both have a slouch to them. Both bags will slouch more when you get items inside. If you look at my video that I did with the Carry hobo, you can see that in that video, it's already slouching beautifully. When you look at them here, you'll see that the Carry looks like it might be dropping slightly more, but it's very small difference between the two. Also, you'll notice that the Carry is slightly deeper than the soft tabby hobo. See, it sticks more out away from me at the base than the soft tabby hobo does. Let me put the bags on crossbody. I went ahead and I set both bag at its very shortest setting, because that's how I wear the soft tabby hobo when I wear it. So once again, the Carry is falling just a little bit lower on the body than the soft tabby hobo, but not by much. Pretty similar. If you are a shorter person, you could modify the strap for the Carry bag much easier than you could modify the strap for the soft tabby hobo, because the soft tabby hobo has the grommets on it. So you're gonna notice a modification if you add extra holes. Because of the way this was shipped, I've got some issues with the strap flipping up, but that'll work out over time. But as you can see, you could probably squeeze a couple more holes up here on the top and then still not have much overlap here on the bottom. So if you're a shorter person, I would say that this might be a better option because you could get another inch or two on the strap to adjust it. Because of the grommets on this strap, if you add another hole here and here, it's gonna not have a grommet. Unless you take it to a cobbler, you may be able to get one added, but it may never match perfectly to the Coach brass. So the hang tag for the soft tabby hobo is supposed to dangle off of one of these little clips. Totally gets in the way, so I don't use that at all. I took it off right away. The Carry hobo comes with not only a hang tag, as you can see here, but also a charm. And if you're gonna have both straps on the bag, I would probably go ahead and eliminate the hang tag because it is getting a bit fussy here. And as you know, part of my mother-in-law's gift was to include a C chain. And so I think if you already have 3 clips on the side, having the hang tag hanging there is just going to be problematic. So I'll probably recommend to her that she just takes that off and sticks it inside the bag. I did show you that both of the zipper pulls were chunky, but definitely the soft tabby hobo has a thinner one than the Carry hobo. So if you like that chunky pull, you're going to get more chunkiness out of the Carry. Let me give you another view of the depth. You can really see here the difference in the depth between the two bags. The Carry is definitely deeper. With regards to the width, they're almost the same. I mean, I'm not really noticing a difference at all from top to bottom here. And then height-wise, again, pretty much the same. Not noticing much of a difference. So I would say the key differences between these two bags are that the carry is deeper, that the leathers are different, that the carry has more organization. The Soft Tabby Hobo has a much, much nicer crossbody strap, although it is not as alterable as the carry strap for crossbody. You have a little bit more flexibility to adjust this by adding extra holes than you would with the Soft Tabby Hobo. Honestly, I love both of these bags. If I didn't already have the Canyon Soft Tabby Hobo, I might consider one of these. If I find one at a steal, I probably still will consider one of these. These are on sale right now, and I linked it in my description box of the unboxing video. I can go ahead and link it in today's video as well. This color is dark stone, and I think it's just a gorgeous shade of taupe, a dark taupe, and the gold hardware plays off it beautifully. And like I said, if you haven't seen the video where I unboxed it, I show it with a seat chain, and that makes this bag just pop. It's amazing. So that is the end of my comparison. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.